the journey to show you guys what I do, we're going downtown and filming it, I guess. Here's mine, by the way. All right. So a passion of mine is that we like to come to restaurants and film. And I've turned that into some kind of a job. Yeah. That's what we're doing today. So on the topic of passion, this is my passion. Water. And not to say cars isn't my passion, but filming cars got really tiring at one point, and I honestly finished my goal. My goal was to get 1,000 subscribers on this channel filming cars, and at that time I was really interested in filming cars, or in like being a car YouTuber. But as time has progressed, it's been like 2-3 years since I started that journey to when I actually ended it, and now I find it more fun to film my life with food and stuff, because that's another passion of mine. Maya also likes doing stuff, so that's what she's doing over there. So let's talk about our future plans this year. T-minus less than 3 weeks, and we're gonna be headed to
more specifically, Cebu.
Then after that, we're headed to Korea for 2 weeks. She's headed to Cambodia, and then most likely we'll meet up again in Thailand. Most likely. There's nothing holding us back.
Yeah, I mean the one who's going at least.
Yeah, I think everybody that's going are out of school now, so we're on our journey to find the career and the success after college. So a lot of soul searching that we're doing, and this trip is a big...
I want to soul searching with the turtle.
What's that?
I want to soul searching with the turtle.
That would be nice, yeah. So, if you're curious about where this candle is going, follow along, because we got some crazy things happening this year. There you guys have it. This is what we do on a regular basis now. Check us out on Instagram. It's gonna be right here. My Instagram down below as well in the description. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.